Goes the other side of the truck. Alright, we'll see y'all in a little while. So these mats are pretty dirty, so we're going to pre-treat it with a high alkaline cleaner to help break up all this dirt on here and grime and everything else that's stuck into these mats. And then we'll come back in a minute and scrub them and then rinse them off with a pressure washer. So today we got this deep clean on this F250. Let's see what we can do about getting a lot of this stuff off. Gonna be leather cleaning, conditioning, carpet shampooing, the whole works on the inside. The goal is to get this vehicle looking close to new as possible. Granted, regular wear and tear can't prevent it. So now we're using an air compressor. We're blowing all the dirt and debris to the front. And let us stop recording. And let us stop recording video. So now that this stuff's had time to kind of dwell onto the mats, we'll go ahead and start scrubbing them. So one of the things when you're doing a deep clean, I like to use this right here. It's called a toilet bowl brush. Turn it on, and it helps to really break up everything and get stuck in there. Even though you use the vacuum to get in there, sometimes stuff doesn't want to come up. So use this right here, get in there. You can slow it down. And this helps to really break up all that dirt that gets stuck in there. And it's good for pet hair and everything else. Got a golf ball right there if you can get it. There we go. Alright, see you in a little bit. This is one of the things we use the brush for right here. Spray some more onto it. Gets a good clean on the doors. Breaks up all that dirt that gets in there. Then we'll take the steamer. And then down in here in this pocket. Break up all that stuff that's inside of there. Then we'll get the rag, wipe it all off. So now we're here inside the vehicle. You see where that stuff is stuck in there. So we'll go ahead and spray some of that cleaner in there. We'll also spray some cleaner onto the rag. The reason why I sprayed onto the rag, so that way I don't get any overspray onto the windshield or onto any of the windows as well. We got a few other tools we'll be using with this. We also have the AC vent cleaners, which that doesn't come with the basic interior. This is only for the deep interior cleaning. We've got the Scrub Ninja we'll be using, and it fell down here. I'm going to get it, but I got my brush as well. Yeah, it fell somewhere. So now we're getting to do our leather cleaning, and these little pieces right here, this is the perforated leather, and the only way to get that out, you take a dental floss with a pick on it or a toothpick, but you just go here and you just, hopefully the camera's not being affected by the sun, but yeah, you just go through, you poke all these little holes, get them out. That's the way to clean it. Yeah, it can be time consuming depending on how bad the vehicle is or the seats are with the leather cleaning, but we'll set that down there for now. We'll spray some cleaner on there. Take the leather brush. Alright, that's how you clean the seats. Now if they're really bad dirty, then I would use an APC to really clean it more, a lot more. But these seats here really aren't that bad. So we'll see you in a little bit. So this is the carpet cleaner. We're gonna go and spray this on, which I already sprayed a little bit a minute ago, but for video purposes and tutorials. Then you take the brush, you just want to work it into the carpet. The reason I use this brush instead of that other one, because the other one will fling stuff up everywhere, and the carpet is the last thing that we're doing. And then we'll take our pump sprayer, which I've already pumped it up. We'll spray it into the car. Put it on the vacuum. And see, there's not even really no dirt coming up, but the client paid for the service, so we will be doing the services. So we got that deep clean finished up. Leather clean, conditioned, shampooed, mats cleaned up. We know that was all real dirty earlier. It's all cleaned up as well. Looking good. Gonna turn the light on. Oh yeah, smells all brand new in here. Yeah, have a good one. Be blessed.